How are things, everyone? Frank here again, and today I'm gonna bring you the coolest guys from the Teen Titans Go series. And you're totally free to disagree with me. Let's start with his head, which is gonna look like a pocket. And since he's an athletic character, let's shape his body as a triangle. Okay, now we make his belt. His legs are gonna be funny. Very thin on top and thicker on the bottom. Looking from the front, his head is gonna look like a fire. So I divide his face where I think his nose should be. Then I draw his mask in a shape that resembles a W. Simple cartoon mouth. So now for his shoulders, I'm just going to mark where they're gonna be with a circle. Of course, it's not gonna be a circle. His arms are gonna be this thin, and big gloves at the end. And here go his little baby hands. Now all you have to do is a couple of squares in the middle of his chest and the letter R emblem next to his heart. Okay, now I can shape the shoulders the way they are supposed to be. And finally, his cape. Now just some more details for the head and the boots before I can call this sketch done. Okay, looking good. Alright, now time for the marker. and here I didn't get quite satisfied with the color for his face, so I decided to use a lighter skin tone. Some adjustments, and there you go, he's ready to fight crime and look cool at the same time. Thank you very much for watching, my friends. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe to the channel. Your participation is very important for us. I hope to have you guys with us on our next video. Bye bye.